No.
I've never had this happen. Never been on the runway and so
As long as it's sunny, not snowy. Right, exactly.
Tomorrow, I have 60.
Oh, no.
We're at lunch. It's only one. Yeah.